What's up? I'm AJ and welcome to Old Car City. Today I'm here in Old Car City, Georgia, and we're going to be looking at some really cool old cars, so come with me as we explore.
Hidden amongst the trees in the town of White, Georgia, lies the famous Old Car City Junkyard. This salvage yard resides on a 35-acre property that began life as a general store in 1931 and has remained in the family for 3 generations. There are over 4,400 cars, almost all American, spread throughout the entire property. Let's take a look and see what we can find. Maybe, just maybe, we'll even find a Fiero.
That car's paint though is very pretty.
Everything was going great, but then I saw it. There it was, nestled between a tree and a pair of Dodge sedans laid to rest. A 1985 Pontiac Fiero GT. Rest well, Mr. GT. You made it to the finish line. Okay, let's go see what else we can find. It's a Buick?
Thank you for watching. We saw a lot of interesting cars today. Unfortunately, many are rusted, but I'm glad they ended up here instead of somewhere where they would get crushed. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe so you can see when I post the next video. And thank you for watching.
A great new thing has happened to cars with the GM, mark of excellence. It's the crime-fighting steering column. Remove your ignition key and the wheel locks in place. Secrets and surprises of the beautiful new cars with the GM, mark of excellence.